Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Got a good one for today. You guessed it. Back on the motor, 351 Cleveland. And yes, I ended up pulling the cam. Found a couple lifters that were questionable and just decided to go ahead and replace the lifters and the cam. Now, I know I changed the oil on this thing, and I noticed, yeah, there is some real small specks. Kind of reminded me of like metallic in a paint. So, yeah, so we got that. So basically, what I ended up doing is I drained the oil, poured more oil down the motor, and drained that out, or turned the motor over a little bit and tried to splash around there a little bit and try to get everything cleaned out. Ended up putting the cam and lifters in it. Fired it. It runs like a Swiss watch. Put an oil pressure gauge on it. I got it in a bag because somehow, some way it started to leak and getting oil everywhere. So I tightened the fitting, but it's not leaking anymore. That's a good thing. But yeah, it's got good oil pressure now. It runs really good. I broke the cam in, ran it for 5 minutes right from the get-go at 15 to 17. I put a tack on there. It was like 17, I think. 5 minutes, I got it hot, shut it down, drained the oil and filter. Yeah, put new oil in it with zinc additive. And then I let it run again for 15 minutes up to temperature, and 15 or 1700 RPM. Broke the cam, tried to get that cam broke in, and yeah, she then I stopped and I shut her down again, and I drained the oil and filter again. Try to get those whatever metal shavings that were in the motor out. Still got good oil pressure. Yeah, everything seems to be working out good. So hopefully nothing is going to happen internally to the motor. I'm going to take it as is, and hopefully, like I say, everything will be okay. But yeah, let's fire this thing up and see what it's going to do. I'll show you it runs good. This belt's a little loose, so it's going to squeal right from the get-go. But I got open exhaust on it right now. I just got the header pipe on there, and that's it. So let's fire this thing up and see what it can do. Pretty excited about it. Yeah, it's got good oil pressure. Yeah, I'm pretty tickled with it. I hope there's no internal damage. Engine builder seems to think it's going to be okay. There's this minimal wear on a couple of lifters. Nothing major. He's seen it before. He called it the cam went flat. So just wanted to give you an update on this motor. Make the video short and sweet. Yeah, I got a lot of time invested in this thing, but finally got it done, didn't give up, and now it's back, finishing up whatever, but I'd like to get to the body work on it now, so that's next on the agenda. So anyway, I hope you guys like the video, hope you like the content. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, hope you're having a good day.